Hello, you are watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I am showcasing the TK40151. It is a gold TorqueKing heavy-duty anodized aluminum replacement hub dial. This super high quality, absolutely beautiful replacement hub dial are for 1977 to 81 Chevy and GMC 1-ton 4x4 trucks with a Dana 60 axle. These aluminum dial locking hubs are precision made. They are CNC anodized replacement for plastic factory equipment dials on 1977 to 81 Chevy K30 and GMC K35 1-ton 4x4 trucks. It can also be used to replace hub dials on the 1978 to 79 Ford F-250 and 79 Ford F-350 4x4 trucks with Dana 60 front axles. To ensure proper hub operation and also protect against corrosion, apply a thin film of quality grease to the internal hub components. Spicer recommended Moly XL high-speed grease for the internal and Parker O-ring lube for the O-rings. Keep in mind that not enough grease will lead to both corrosion and metal-to-metal wear. Too much grease will hinder the locking functions of the hubs, especially in cold climates. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at TorqueKing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.